USA and China in terms of electricity and where it's generated from. And I understand there's going to be different markets, different countries that have different better or worse results here. But in terms of these two markets, we can see that the US renewable energy generation by electricity is in 2019 still pretty low overall. Petroleum and natural gas leading the way. In China, we see, you know, coal being the main producer of electricity, and renewables, you know, adding, if you want to add hydro with the other solar and wind resources, you have about 13%. So